Okay, it's Dylan's part 3 of Movie RC. I just want to say something about my subscribers. One named Crysuck, and the other one is Wife Bick. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right or anything, but okay. As you can see, back to the figure, it's got purple translucent, like, windshields and stuff. It's got bronze rims, and, no seat at all. I lost my cousin, when my cousin gave it to me, he lost it, and I really didn't give a big deal, because it's okay. And that is very detailed in the engine, yada yada yada. And it says, like, RC11000, whatever. Well, that's it. Share some other reviews later on. Bye.